This is Sydney. It's Monday, August 10th. Sydney, do you think you can say hello to the camera?
No.
No.
I see the baby.
Yeah, that's hard for her to talk, isn't it? Are we doing tummy time, Sydney? It's exhausting, isn't it? Being a baby's hard. Hi, Sydney. Good job, Sydney.
Good job.
Good job.
She went poop again.
Did she? I think she just made a sound with bubbles with her mouth. Sydney, you rolled over. You did such a great job.
Can I see again?
Good job, Sydney.